Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you're ready to learn how to start investing in the stock market. Whether you're looking to boost your savings and support, save for retirement, or are just curious about how it all works, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the basics of stock market investing for beginners. 1. What is the stock market? So what exactly is the stock market? In simple terms, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it as a giant marketplace, where instead of products, companies are sold. When you buy a stock, you essentially own a small piece of that company. Big companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla are public companies, meaning they're listed on the stock market and you can buy shares of them. The price of these stocks fluctuates daily based on supply and demand, company performance, and overall market trends. 2. Why should I invest? Now you might be wondering, why should I invest my money in the stock market? Here's the thing. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. While keeping your money in a savings account is safe, interest rates are typically so low that your money doesn't grow much. Historically, the stock market has returned between 7 to 10% annually, which means your money can grow much faster than if you just kept it in a savings account. Plus, investing allows you to build wealth, achieve financial goals like buying a home, or retire comfortably. 3. How to start investing. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. How do you start investing in the stock market? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. The first thing you need to do is open a brokerage account. A stockbroker is like a middleman that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many options available: Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and more. Choose the one that fits your needs, whether you prefer low fees, educational resources, or easy-to-use mobile apps. Step 2. Know your investment goals. Before you invest, it's important to ask yourself, what are my goals? Are you saving for retirement? Are you thinking about buying a house in 10 years? Or maybe you want to increase your college fund. Your goals will help you determine what type of investments are best for you. Step 3. Know the different types of investments. There are different types of investments you can make, and they all carry different levels of risk. The most common ones are individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, and bonds. Here's a quick rundown. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. One of the golden rules of investing is not to put all your eggs in one basket. This means diversifying your investments. By spreading your money across different stocks, sectors, and even asset classes like bonds, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one investment fails. And 4. Risks and rewards. Now, while the stock market has a lot of potential for growth, it's important to remember that it comes with risks. Stock prices can fluctuate, and sometimes markets can crash. That's why it's critical to invest with a long-term mindset and only invest money that you can afford to leave invested for several years. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to invest in the stock market. Remember, the most important step is to simply get started. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start building wealth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future investing tips. Thanks for watching and happy investing.